Yes, Jamaica good life. You know the vibes, so in the street of Port Antonio. Holding up vibes, walking home, seeing everybody. So this is what the vibes is like going home. It's like walking on a regular street and it's just peaceful vibes. Sellers there over in the corner, everybody just holding up vibes. Yeah man. So it's good to be in a peaceful part of the island too. Jamaica good life. Yes, Jamaica good life. So this is like regular walking home as we said before. And there's like the seaside next to us that's over by the Juta place where you can get a bus like differently if you want to by private carrying government way. Yeah man. Respect, Pablo.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So this is what it's like when people get a little money in the night, So this is Jamaica good life. So now we go home after and we build our own vibes, see? We're having a drink after work. Hard, it's been working like the whole entire week and months, Yeah man, constructional vibes.
Would you sit on a nail or a peg? Would you shoot yourself without a cause? Or with a cause, you'd think about it. If you're unrotten, you'd chop it off. No, you'd try to get it better. So put yourself in someone else's shoes. Struggle don't mean struggle, as how people may see it. We struggle because of each other. The man with the gas station would never sell his wife any gas. That means if we live good with that man, we would not have to buy gas. And the farmer need food. So how can he cultivate and look money at the same time? All we need is love. And the freedom every man I look for is to be themselves. So not until we started to be ourselves, that time you will see what God, Jehovah God, is really talking about. In this book of life, you got two gods in it. You got the pagan God and you got Jehovah God. Pagan God is man like me and you, who treasurize after treasure, who only seek vanity and fornicate with sin. But Jehovah God is one who made everything for all of us. Equal fear and equal share. So now we know. So now we do the right thing. So this street can clean without no man clean it and tell a man to. But love can do that. But once every man I go try look good, people are going to get hungry. And no man now go want to share. Like everybody have a yard. So not until you start to look for my family and we start to look for your family, then you will see when I deal with justice have no law. Because if you vote for me, because of a vote, it could be no rights. Because I am the man doing wrong. But because you love me, because I make you think. But how many out there suffer? So if one man make 10 man a suffer, kill the one man and make the 10 man live, we justify from that. Well, it's a justify matter, because I believe in God, and God alone. Because let me tell you another thing. If education is the key, I think the man with an education should get everything and anything he possibly need. For instance then, education is read, write, understanding and follow. You get me? Okay then, your mother pay for that from you were a child until you reach about 18. Can you check up all that money? It could buy you a Benz or buy you the mansion that you want. Now you can spell the mansion, know what the mansion is for, used for, and so on. Why don't they give it to you and your mother already? Pay the money, pay a rental guide or a guardian to see that you get this education. Sometimes you bring this book, we learn from this school, and to your parents, and them not know nothing in there. That means you still can't take your mother for fool. That means that from you learn to read and write, you are a slave. The only man that brighter than me is the one that see things for himself. Well, nice to meet the world and we have many to talk about. So to be continued. And remember, love are the answer. And nothing to go around that. Jamaica, good life. Ilang Gully ride, never forget it. Come again, make a walk and talk. And make a fix of a fix. We don't need no more fence. We need bridge. We need love to get across. Jamaica so nice. Well, big respect to Christ in every matter. I believe I'm a son, I'm a child of God. And he teach me too. Well, accept blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly. Now standeth in the way of sinning and seated in the seat of the scornful. And enough of them people here, fridge full of food they are spoiled and then say they love God. And then now bring a hug in a body. Them pass my people, them scan them. Nowadays they never know who mad from who sober. Because they have clean people in a dirty clothes. You feel me? Because they can afford material. So watch now, Jamaica. Stay nice, be nice. Act nice, be nice. Because it is very important to be nice. Take it away. Big respect. I love you. Yeah.
Quick touch on Port Antonio. Beautiful. Coming back. You know, it's the man Everton. You know, keep moving. This is a journey. And the journey just starts when you see. Nothing never stop the journey. No forces, no energy can stop this movement. To expose Jamaica to the world, to make them know how beautiful it is and come protect on the country. Forces that be are lurking, so for the place, only people that are firing. So if I don't keep being afraid, I'm gonna take on a tick. I only can only do so much. So I'm gonna put that toes in. Put that toes in. That's so good. We're not driving. Try to get better. And hopefully next time I come in December, I may bring some people. Well, respect that thing. This is Nonsuch. Going back to check mark. It's a beautiful place. I love it, Professor. This is kind of like Norway, where we come from. We're up on the hill, not the bush. But it's beautiful. We're going to call Everton Drive. Take care of it. So give thanks. It's a mission. Years from now, everybody will understand. So where I go cook this, yeah, so?
We have time to go.
Where I cook it with?
We have time to cook some flour. some dumpling and hot and sauce.
You know, this day, man, Marcus can have a birthday, you know. This is the man.
Yo, you know what say, with that plans on the forward this man, you know. You know, forward. That's a walking thing. I want to set up an idea, you know. Go up and pay for me in Park Mount. See me?
Come up there.
Make we go up the pole. You see me? You see me go up Park Mount now? You have to look for the next district. You have to look for a district named Tom's Hope.
Yeah.
And you have to look for what? Blue Mountains. Wicked view. Wicked. Straight.
Jamaica good life.
You know? Yeah, man. Straight.
And right now, the man.
Oh, yeah, man. This is what I say. Right, you know.
Alright, Tom.
Yeah.
See there? The man cooked the sip. This is Jamaica Good Life International. So we're going to set it up straight. See, man, I've been cooked already.
Yeah. You get one for Angela.
Yeah, I'm good, I'm going with real thing.
Then for you, know what's making me cook, man?
I'm going real thing in my bar.
Yeah, man, the real thing is, man.
You know what's making me cook, man? Yeah, who? Yeah, go on the car, you know, brother.
Celebration is in honor of Jamaica's first national era force. It's dubbed One Africa, One Nation. The event is slated to take place, like we said, at its usual home in the African courtyard in Oaktree St. Anne's. And of course, that's tomorrow, Sunday, August 18th. Special guests includes main speaker Dr. David Mohammed, community activist L. Jones, and the Honorable Minister Foundation of Islam.
You know some mackerel.
Real.
Your okra from your fields. Now you say you love okra, so you plant a lot of okra.
Yes, man. The plant for okra, then I've done something to plant more. Up that side, normally, and you like the view.
Okay.
Because the higher go up on the road, the more people like it.
And they want to stay here and live here.
And look here.
And your name is Shaggy
Yeah.
to the world.
Yeah. And look here. You can leave your house open and go to Port Antonio and come back. Nobody give you no problem.
And this is Nonsuch.
Nonsuch. There is none
Nonsuch.
such place like Nonsuch.
Nonsuch
That is where we get Nonsuch get his name.
Yeah.
Beautiful area. You understand?
So they do have lands for sale around here.
What?
They have lands for sale.
Yeah, man. You will get land for sale, man. Yes, man. I'm a
How
builder.
many years you been building?
I'm building that church. I started that church down there, that is the New Testament Assembly.
Okay.
This house behind your back, I started.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Many more I did, but I can't walk around to show you.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah, man. And I have my architect. Man, I draw the plan.
Wow.
Can do the same building. Yeah. Beautiful area.
This is a beautiful area. I went to the falls.
Yeah,
the
man.
fall is very tall.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And we're trying to get people abroad to come here and investigate why are they moving the stones in the river. So we're here fighting. I'm fighting for your place,
Yeah.
and it's your place.
Yeah.
This is Portland. I used to live at Buff Bay.
Okay.
Went to Buff Bay Primary, so it's part of my
Okay,
life. I'm
okay,
from
no
Manchester, but this is my home too.
Yes.
So when we hear about this tallest falls and I come and I see that they're privatizing it,
Yeah.
I see what's going to happen next.
Yeah.
So we're going to expose Nonsuch to the world. So
To the world.
the smart people can come in and make sure they protect
Yes, man.
the natural river.
Yeah.
Nobody's supposed to be moving stone in the river so water run faster.
No.
For tourism.
No.
That's not supposed to happen.
No. Most likely, alright, you know, as I youth grow up on the boat, when we go river, and like we go fish then, right? You know, we have the crayfish, and we have another one that we call janga.
Yeah.
All those are in the river. We take them and we make crayfish soup and janga soup. Very much rich, good for us men. You understand? But that is the only reason why maybe you may see a stone move as support. But otherwise to move stone, no, like if you let the water run, that is not our plan. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, we don't really do that. But you know, by
destroy the crayfish.
The crayfish, right. But we don't really do that.
So what we're trying to do is to get more people involved and coming here and monitoring the place to make sure government protect. If it's the tallest fall in the world in Jamaica.
I believe that, you know. And to see the beauty of the fall.
When the
water is there, you have to go by zone by Drapers.
Yes.
On a hill they call Mockingbird Hill.
Yes.
If you hand Mockingbird Hill and see that fall coming on, it's a beauty.
And around December is when it's filled with water?
Well, most likely in the rain season.
Okay.
You know, from maybe no, it's summer. We're not expecting a great amount of rain. But during the spring we didn't get no rain. So most likely we are getting the rain right now.
Yeah.
That is what we need. You understand? But most likely between October in the hard time.
Yes.
Going right back to the winter. That is the beauty of the fall.
Notice you have a lot of coconut trees here.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Look.
Lot of fruit trees. We have here.
Because you have a lot of water.
And we have water. You know, during the drought season, because they say we don't have the great flow of water, but we always have water in Nonsuch. Always have water in our pipe. No matter how you say the drought, people from other adjoining districts like Short Forest, Lidal, all about people coming out to Nonsuch with just water. We have everything up here for us. All we need, good liberty, that is what we have. And you know what we need again, money and investment and good liberty with people. Anyway, I'm going to work.
Respect.
It's
a big pleasure.
Yes, respect.
So this is Nonsuch. And it's a beautiful place like Norway. So this is the Norway of Portland. You know, the banana tree, everything is just luscious and nice. It's just luscious and nice. Let's see. You see that? How beautiful it is. Very nice. Tree and everything. A new area. Love it. Yes, King Mackerel. I interviewed the man called Shaggy. Shaggy's an elder.
Yeah, man.
You know, say, it's been a long journey for me to get here, you know. But no one you take me like some foreigner, no mackerel. Me is a countryman, you know. The slingshot. Because I remember say I Portland, I make my slingshot, you know. And I Portland, I take off the thing off of the stem, you know.
Yeah.
People call and I go like say around there some little foreign boy. Wait till them sit. Me have my shit ready in Manchester. Hey, I St. Mary, we used to dig my white time, you know. Scottsdale, St. Mary, my hometown. Because if you give me a slingshot, it's like a renewal, you see me?
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. So you get your ackee, you use salt?
I'm not going to start sniper.
So wait there. You're going to put the plastic in there?
Yeah, man.
What kind of style you do with this?
Yeah, man. I don't want me ackee mash up in that. Ackee up a boil with food. Ackee in a pot. Like bam. I'm going to boil ackee for now. See my ackee them so. I saw them come back whole, you know. Yeah, man.
Are your style? Are you okra in there too?
Yeah, man.
So the plastic no melt?
No.
Why, boy, I never see this yet in my life.
Let me show you better.
Mackerel. Nonsuch.
Yeah, man. No sauce, I put no pasta back now. You take the pot because the sauce is in it.
Yeah.
I'm going to wash up the sauce first, so I don't use too much salt. I don't like it bad salt, you know. So let me take the pot now. This pasta back now. That sauce is there. Sauce is there. The sauce is on this other one. The salt, the pot, you know. Yeah, man. But soon don't cook, man. You know, when you make cook, you laugh, you know. Yeah, man. You don't laugh when you make cook, man. You don't laugh when you make cook, man. You see my thing different from people, you see me? Some of these meeting, man.
How much you born?
July the 27th.
What is your favorite food in life?
Alright, me I cook right now. Yeah. Yeah, man.
How much people you cooking for?
You just cook some food at the time, when I cook now. I'm on a pass and say, man, I'll flour, you just get a flour. Yeah, man, some I cook, man. Alright, now me I cook. You just cook like a pound of flour at the time, one piece of yam. You see me? I cook pound half today, and pound of yam. And one cocoa. Yeah. And I say, Randy there, you see me? So, straight, brother. Yeah, man.
Nothing, man, I love how you do your thing there. You say that you don't play with the food.
No. Food time. I'm going to come out of front now. I'm not going to come to me now. When I cook, I left my pot now. It's like how call them and cook on here and left and go.
Okay.
No, me. Yeah, man. Because so many of you can push that side, I don't call you, know. Yeah, man. So many of you can push, I don't call you. I see him 2 man go up this morning, and some more man come down at this street. But so, I don't find them man come at this because I'm on them say, when I shoot off, then I shoot nothing but bad plate. Because no pigeon up there, man say about 3 pigeons live there. The man say, Bishop say man kill like 3 or 4 pigeons live there. Then I shoot no pigeon a bad plate, up there I shoot, then I fire a wild shot. I two see man, go back up so. Yeah, 2 see man, go back up so. I look around till I see him here, man. I forget some ringtail night thing, you know? I forget some couple ringtail. I forget couple ringtail night thing. See how just back.
Right now, calling king mackerel. No more major mackerel. They are king mackerel now. And they come rename it. Like King Baba is a king mackerel now. You hear me say?
Yeah.
So some I go call over the world king mackerel.
Yeah. 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 That's what I mean. I saw more want me think this year, right?
Yeah, enough chef life you have to change, you know.
You see all yaki yellow? A war.
Enough people life you just change, you know.
And they don't cook food pot, man. For me, watch out. This me don't want, no. You know, one aki boil in a pot, you see me? Because you boil in a pot, you see go mash out. And that me no want. Yeah, that me want. That's what me want me pot is still. Yeah, you know want me okra them for 2 soft neither, you see me? Yeah.
You see, I go over, you know. We can't get that guava, yeah? See the people, none such. And you're about to pick a guava. Boy, man, tell me come Portland and some energies. Let me tell you something. Keep watching, keep loving or hating. I'm gonna keep moving. When I'm not see me, always ready. I'm always ready for smile. I'm always ready for war. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Two things I'm always ready for in my life. I'm always ready for die. I'm always ready for live. Wrong sing?
No, man. Nice, man. What's up, man? Oh, pepper. You might with the pepper?
Yeah. See, come on. Give thanks. I'm one knife, you know. You know, somebody want to get a knife, but if you come out some more, try this, we go.
Why are you with me?
Give me the one that's going in with you. Nonsuch. Let's see. As a gift.
Yeah.
You see me? I give King Baba one, I give Denny one, or you have the other one. So when I meet up, I just bring on a knife. I see it. It's sharp, you know, King. So watch yourself and put the guava here for me. Be careful, you know, the knife sharp. You know.
Wow, sweet.
Hmm?
Wow, nice.
It's nice, man. You know, so my mouth still a heal from the cocoa. Tongue still sharp. But that's a gift for you.
This is what I get, you know. Oh, I'm a part fresh, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's good. I'm more so I can part.
Guava, them man.
Yeah, man. And I really food is all eating better. Trying to eat my salt, you know. I like to eat my salt. Yo, the man. Oh, Jake, hello, the man. Mario, Jake, hello, the man.
May I eat off your guava? Can I eat off your guava? Thank you. The lady give me permission to eat off the guava off of the tree. So I don't want the guava to be spoiled, you know? I love guava, you know. It's my favorite thing in the world. One over the other side. So Jamaican people, nice. This is Jamaica good life. Me and Nonsuch right now. Mike, you know, man. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Down here. Thank you. See how the people them nice. Let me tell you something, Jamaica. I know people jealous around you know. The people them say go people yard go eat off them food. So them say come all the way from New York to come watch your pot mackerel. That's what the people want to say about me, you know. Every time they see me, I eat people food. Then
So what? So you know if you eat. Watch people, man. Remember, if you watch people, you know, you reach nowhere in life. Okay. You know, watch people. We have to do what we have to do. You know, we that. You see me? Just do what we have to do, brother. You watch people, man.
see the people, I get love everywhere I go. My sorry say, una get the love of me I get. But I just become I give the love. People open up them house to me for free.
Very nice feeling.
Yeah?
Very nice feeling.
I got you, man. Them say, Randy homeless. Randy's a bum. The man a 10th out in Jamaica. I say, wow. Become an article like that.
My brother from Nicaragua, you know, right?
Chicago.
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua.
Yeah. You come from. Years now, I don't see it. In name Orlando.
Orlando.
Right? And first time, you see? The man that come to Jamaica, I'm a virgin trying to come here. Right? And the man come here and he's a major. This man, I'm a virgin, I'm want you for control him. I'm going to go back and I'm going to go back with me to the major, but what? I'm going to forward back, right? So when him forward back, are you and Wilma, I lie that. I'm mark 2 cars. Mr. Major, are you and Wilma or control? Them see me? And anything will happen. If anything should happen to Orlando, are you and Wilma Afiji, I will not have to deal with the thing. Remember, me and the man Wilma, the man start firing, you see? And Pierre, a man, we are walking in a Blue Mountain. And we walk go, till we can walk no more. You Mr. Randy, we walk till we can walk no more. And we drive the car from here, we are in 3 hours in a car. But I want place named Cooper's here. Go fellowship and go. We go fellowship and go. We go to book. And go park car by the man's yard. We park car by the man's yard. We take out everything in the motor, we put car. And we start to foot it. See me? I walk going away, Blue Mountain. And we walk till we Randy, we can't walk no further because water chop the hill in a 2. So for we go over here so now, we'll have to go down so. And then come up back to go over there so. You know, but with that, we just piston tent there so. And till so, till about 1 o'clock. Because we can't and I'm going to move out now because we'll be back now. But we know we left the flashlight them in the car. I will never tell them. One place did end around where we walk now. If we not pass there so like say 1 o'clock when we have come up back now and night set we know, we can't see now.
What's called China? This is how you do your one here when you cook.
Yeah, man.
This is like a healing thing for you. Where you relax your mind.
Me back now, so me do it meeting. I do it meeting proper, you know.
So you have kids?
I got no kids.
So you're just like a bushman or reals.
You see it?
Bushman.
was out there, but
How old are you now? Says 50 something.
yeah, man, 54. July gone, 54.
No health problems.
No. But I'm never go to doctor for no sickness.
Mm.
Yeah, man. And that's why I'm just try my best.
Mm-hmm.
When you come out in your yard and you cook food, you know.
Yeah.
And you ask me if I want, I'm tell you, so I know my belly full, you know.
Oh, you know, do that with me, you know. You're going to see me cook it right in front of you, you're going to eat it.
And I me that, man, I just me that, cause I just, you know, try my best, like when I go. I go with my friend in here, you see me? That's different. You see me? But with a man, you know, like, go out and go, eat it, you see me? You know, eat it, trying anybody. Me that.
Give me some of the water. You're not going to make some lemonade too? You don't want some sugar? I'll get you some sugar. Tell me say I want to lime you up.
You don't want more like that.
I'm going to buy some sugar, alright?
Just pour no sugar, man.
This is Randy. Just go get a pound of sugar. Hanging out with the man himself, General Mackerel. Come on, cook them seasoning things. This is Nonsuch. Here's Nonsuch a place. See there? Okay, cooking a plastic. Okay, cooking a plastic. Never know, so we'll get breakfast this morning and not a great first place. Real Jamaican cook. People, when you see me eat food, this is a cooking show. What are you doing a cooking show? You eat food, right?
Oh, I don't know that, no?
Damn idiots. Randy live in Jamaica good life. If you don't want to live it too, no, come home. That is the mission for this program. You know, stop afraid and stop selling out Jamaica and lie about Jamaica. I don't see nobody dead in front of me since I come down here. The purpose for this program, Michael, is to show Jamaica positive, and you're doing exactly that. So thank you. Right? Clean up in kitchen.
I go buy a bun.
Yes, sir.
You know go bun.
See the thing, man. I call it King Mackerel and can't say Major Mackerel, but I know say a DJ named Major Mackerel, so I don't call you Major Mackerel.
Let me tell you something. I have my name before Major Mackerel, boss me, Major Mackerel, you know. That's that me I tell you.
So I'm teeth your name?
How would you just as know? I have that name if I'm at school, Nonsuch all your school.
So where Major Mackerel come from?
I don't know where you come from, you know.
So you're the original Major Mackerel?
I mean, when me have my name, man. At the time when the man they come one, name Major Mackerel. Then tell me about Major Mackerel.
From your young, how
Yeah.
How old are you?
Then tell me young man. Young. If I go to all your school. You must know me I talk about, yeah.
And why them call you that?
No, sir. I want girl at school give me a name I do. For recess, we walk from my school, both people go buy a sweetie, meet my brothers in them, and some girl. And when I girl look at me and say, no, I say, you know, I'll give my clan name, you know. You see me? You know the boy, Mackerel, fit. They're right? They're right, me right now. You know, some Mackerel fit there, right? If you find that there, then we look up the road, go buy a sweet and snack. And my brother and the girl, and find that there. You see? That name. Stuck. For me, the Mackerel, that name stuck. When I say stuck, I mean stuck. Stuck for me. And from then, everybody. Mackerel. Yeah, man, so we deal with him, huh?
How you view the world? Like, if you could have changed the world, what you would have changed?
Why? Because I change the world, enough things will change, you know?
Yeah.
Enough things will change, man. Enough. Because when something I say I go on. Couldn't go on. Yeah, man. Couldn't go on, my brother. Yeah, Randy, you see it? Yeah, man, so we do your thing. Yeah.
You know we're chicken or nothing? You know now the chicken or goat thing?
No, man, I'm a goat, man. I'm a goat or a kid, man. Right now, 2 more and buy. So I'm going more. I'm going to say I want to ink it. I'm saying for years, right?
Yeah.
What do you mean say ink it? I'm not so good. Wait, right, go on. When I 1 month, you know, nice kid. Pretty stuff. Yeah, man. Brown, white, and black. Check it out. Yeah, man.
Wonderful. We're right now in Nonsuch. It's a beautiful weather today. The banana, them, you know, are mostly gross naturally today. Lockatan and Robusta. The banana, them, they're just big and long. This is Major Mackerel, the original. Him of the original name, so I can't check. Yeah, the same thing. This one my uncle says. Let me give thanks. Give thanks. Alright, give thanks done. See this man, give thanks to no mackerel, man. Tell you. And this. The ackee them solid. the okra still have a little crunch to it.
Yeah, man.
Boy, may I tell you now, when I have some chef out the road, but never on another life when I be able to cook something like this. You can't cook certain food if you don't plant it. It's a process, you know. You plant it and you cook it. It's a right? You see what I say? See what I say, mackerel?
Yeah, man. So it must be.
Look on this, man. Come on. This is the cocoa, nicely done. Not to overcook. Let me tell you something, mackerel. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, just say I know. I know say they hate them, I go hate me now. I tell you, see now. Yes, sir.
Daddy! Daddy, come! Come! Come. Hold it. Miss, hold it and go on. Go on. Go on. I chuck man. Go behind it. Go behind it. Ready? Huh? Yeah.
Say you're silent killer, you know. You know, so the thing good, so you don't have to say nothing. Right. So you were featured in Reggae in the Rough. You know, I saw that place on the film and I said to myself, wow, where is that?
No, pure like Nonsuch.
I know film up here, son. Hey, me not bring down your real gift yet, you know. Next time I come, I'll give you something when nobody in the world have. You hear me say? You love music, right? Alright, I got you. I got you. You drive?
Yeah. Yeah. Feel what, bitch?
so I know. I'm gonna stop this and go eat the food. I'm there with a king. I live the normal thing from the hillside.
You know, forward, right time.
Right time.
Right time.
I always live them life in Jamaica with people who just relax and eat, you know? And all the Jamaicans, they miss that because that's really the good life when we care and share, you see me? So this for me right here, so, is the greatest experience, meeting somebody we never meet from anywhere in a Portland and just what a vibe, you know? So this is how my life to live, and this is Jamaica Good Life. Welcome to Nonsuch. There's no such place
Right, Nonsuch.
but Nonsuch. And this is Major Macro, the original Major Macro. What yourself, you might be international just because of this, you know.
Really? I don't want to be.
That's what I say, watch yourself.
I got a pound and come back and do me match to me for do you see me?
Yeah.
You're going to pop one to bird bush?
I'm just gonna go for it.
So what do you think about mackerel food? Them food good?
Always.
They always are
Eat it. It's good.
one of the best.
Alright.
You see, plate empty. And the lemonade good too.
First thing you eat,
See there?
I peel one cocoa and first thing you eat I peel. I cocoa.
Yeah, man. I didn't food that we cook.
And the same thing we cook in Manchester too.
Oh.
I'm from Manchester, you know, but I tour out Jamaica for a film called Jamaica Good Life on YouTube.
Okay.
So we have over 300 episodes of Jamaica Good Life
Okay.
from Portland, Manchester. So featuring this man, they sent me down all the way from New York to meet him.
How for Brazil? 40. I just start him a while ago.
The best thing about tonight, you know.
The best thing happened to me in my life, one girl I will want, and I get her.
What age was that? High school? Yeah.
No, not really high school, I'm just, I work at one place, I'm just see that girl, you know. I'm just a lovely girl, you see me? Soon call her too. Lovely girl, I'm just, some boy knows, so nah stop try that girl, you know. Nah stop until what? You get that girl there. One time I work at place. When me look one time, same person part me I work. Come get work the same way. That's why I say I history this. I say I history this. I come here with a girl and when? Until she come to my workplace, come and work now. Well, now is the time. Better time for me. I mean I tell her say, at the real time as I see what? She left the work. Me left the work before her. You see me? And I came go downtown. When we go to downtown, she had called me for it. I come up and say, yes, baby, I'm going to look here. Just jump in her vehicle. And we were going to the car there. And I said, baby, baby. She said, well, let me say, well, that's good. She said, all right, I'm going to look here. Remember, I'm in left the work and she left the work. And the tour with that, the tour with her. She didn't approach you. Come, she come up, and I see that. And this is what? Call her and watch you. And I see that. And she come up, and realize she call me, and I come to call me. And so, and tell she come to watch you. And she have a birthday. My birthday. And I see. Up and down. Our sister sent 18,000 I come here, and she make one of her friend collect it. I wasted on her, and I make up for the money the Monday. 18 grand. And she said, that 18 grand her sister sent her. She want that 18 grand for me. And she but enjoy herself. And she said, go. I wasted on her and go up and check my friend and make sure give up the money. And I go over the money and collect the money. I put the 18,000 in my pocket. You say, and just come down to me and wait for her because she come from Ocean. And when she come from Ocean even, me in a car, I come up the night, I come up back up there. She said, be over there, I said, I come on and I said, she said, oh yeah, go away. And I don't have no money, you know. I said, be just stop your home and smile. And I go and I don't feel like I come back up Portland. And some girls never come back up Portland until 9 nights. So I say, alright, Tuesday. Me and she go, so I just, well, back to you. Yes, we are there. Downtown, I wait for them. I say, yeah, man, now come. My brother in place, I'm just go downtown. But I'm here and see that. So I just go down and see I'm going to. So if you see money, he said, what do I do? Put the money in your pocket. Make the money stay in your pocket. And your birthday, you spend the money. You're going to be different. He said, you get the money in your pocket. You must put it in your pocket. And furthermore, I'm going to tell you something. Me I go out at Winifred Beach. It done. Just what? Buy some things and jump in a taxi. Winifred Beach. There's the world there at Winifred Beach. Not even now just step on up. But what I could put. Out of fear. Left out of fear. At night, when I enjoy to start my birthday 27th. I start enjoy celebrate my birthday from the 25th to the 30th. Yeah? And the 27th and the 25th